Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to record audio and add it to your document on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the browse icon down below and click on my phone. You can either create a new document or select an already existing one. Then tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen and tap on record audio. Here, as you can see, you need to tap on record, but first you need to allow the application to access your microphone. So tap on OK, and now you will be able to start speaking and start recording. If you want to stop it, tap on stop down below. As you can see, you have the chance to preview it by tapping on the preview button. You can also start the recording, and you can also edit it, such as trimming it, deleting it. If you are satisfied with the result, tap on the insert button in the upper right corner of the screen. So as you can see, you have inserted it. If you tap on the speaker button, you will be able to listen to it. If you want to delete it, just tap on it, and now you will be able to get rid of it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.